1. Appreciate. To be thankful for. I really appreciate your help with the project. 2. Arrange. To organize or plan. Can you arrange a meeting for tomorrow? 3. Confuse. To mix up or misunderstand. The instructions confused me, so I asked for help. 4. Delay. To make something late. The flight was delayed due to bad weather. 5. Discuss. To talk about something. Let's discuss the new office policies in our next meeting. 6. Improve. To make better. I am trying to improve my English skills. 7. Invite. To ask someone to join an event. She invited me to her birthday party. 8. Introduce. To present someone or something. Let me introduce you to my colleague, John. 9. Mention. To talk about something briefly. He mentioned a new project during the meeting. 10. Offer. To give or provide. She offered me a cup of coffee. 11. Prepare. To get ready for something. I need to prepare for my presentation. 12. Provide. To give something needed. The company provides free training for employees. 13. Receive. To get something. I received an email from my manager. 14. Reduce. To make less. We need to reduce our expenses this month. 15. Remind. To make someone remember. Please remind me about the meeting at 3 p.m. 16. Suggest. To give an idea or advice. Can you suggest a good restaurant nearby? 17. Support. To help or encourage. My family always supports my decisions. 18. Trust. To believe in someone. I trust my team to complete the project on time. 19. Update. To give new information. Can you update me on the latest sales report? 20. Worry. To feel anxious. Don't worry, everything will be fine. That's it for today. I hope these words help you in daily conversations. Try using them in your sentences and practice speaking.